Hey Don, my folder is down and I need to replace my bomb rollers. Do you know of a place I can trust?
Well, I've been ordering from SegmentedFolderRollers.com. They are made right here in the US and they are manufactured to the OEM specifications.
Sounds good, but they must cost a fortune.
Not at all. They have the best prices worldwide and they even have their prices listed on their website, unlike their competition.
Wow, it sounds like they got the rollers I need for the price I need.
Believe me, these are quality rollers, and they even come with a 1-year warranty. I get all my bomb-style folder rollers from them. You just can't go wrong.
That's great to hear. I'll check them out.